Yo guys, so I actually do have an update from Equity Edge about my fifth payout, guys. So here's an email over here. So don't get me wrong, guys, they do pay, it's just that they take time, right? They take time. Equity Edge does pay, but they take time, bro. Hey yo guys, what's happening, man? So I just came across this prop firm right now. I don't know if it's too good to be true or what, but ever since I started like documenting my prop firm journey, bro, I only saw one prop firm that was offering this type of an account, and they have since like disappeared. Someone commented like on a video like, yo, gold funded trader. So now I'm doing my research. You know me, I like doing my research. So I see gold funded trader, and then they have an instant account, guys. So for you guys who don't know what an instant account is, it's basically whereby you don't have to go through the phase 1, the phase 2 in order to get funded. So an instant account, you just buy it and then you are funded just like that. You start trading and then the profit splits and whatever. So let's just go on the website and actually see what these guys are all about. Yes, sir. Guys, as you can see now, this is the website, right? Gold funded trader, never depend on small trading capital. And this is what I've always been telling you guys, like capital is really important, right? As you can see over there at the bottom, get 20% off. That's awesome, man. We just got here and they're already talking about 20% off. But then the person who actually commented on my video, they said as a new trader you get 50% off. I don't know, I'll try to get a hold of that person who made the comment, or I'll just ask them here on the live chat if it is actually reliable. So let's just see over here, withdrawal on demand. So this is another thing that is making us run away from Equity Edge type of thing. It's because of the withdrawal. So withdrawal on demand, let's see what that is all about. So for the first payout, traders have the option to initiate a profit withdrawal just 3 days, trading days after executing their first trade. That's awesome. We definitely have to read that to understand. So for the first payout, traders have the option to initiate a profit withdrawal just 3 trading days after executing their first trade on the live simulated account, and with a minimum of 3% profit of their account size balance just for the first payout. This is awesome. So for those who don't understand, because you know, man, there are certain things that it might be clear to you, but then someone else doesn't understand, right? So they are saying for your first payout, right, you can withdraw or request a withdrawal, right, after 3 trading days after executing the first trade. But then now the catch is you need to be 3% up, right? So if you have a 100k challenge, that means you will have to be 3,000 up, right, for you to withdraw. So someone will go in there, make a little bit of profit, maybe they're up 2%, and then after the 3 days they wanna request the withdrawal. So you need to take into consideration of the 3% over there, guys, right? So they will have the option to get on demand the 40% profit split, or wait 14 or 30 days depending on their add-on choice options. So this one, if you request the on-demand withdrawal, right, you get 40% profit split. So I think it would be a great idea or wise of you to just wait, man. I mean, 40% is a little bit of a stretch. At least 60, you know what I mean? So there are add-ons. So some prop firms have add-ons. Maybe they would say you get a higher like profit split if you have that additional like add-on. So when you're buying the challenge, right, there are add-ons there. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm making sense. So to be eligible for their full profit split of 80%. So basically what this is saying, guys, is when you are purchasing your challenge, right, and then you add this add-on of choice at checkout, so meaning you gotta pay for it, you'll be eligible to get the 80% if you have the add-on. So if you don't have the add-on, you're definitely going to get the 40%, right? Or then you'll have to wait the 14 days or 30 days or whatever. So payout guaranteed, I like this. But when it comes to payouts, let's talk about payouts because it's the money that I want. So payout guaranteed, trade pairs get rewarded. That's what we are here about. So they are saying plus 4.4 millions in payout. I hope that's true. Bro. Genuinely, never miss an update. Okay, put in your email, whatever. Okay, so now this is what we came here for, right? The accounts. Okay, so there's normal, and then okay, this is a 2-step, 1-step. So we're here for the instant, right? We're here for the instant. So this is the one whereby you buy it and then you are funded just like that, right? So go account. So target, no minimum target. So there are no targets, guys. Minimum trading days, it's 10 days. So meaning you have to trade for like 10 days before like requesting a withdrawal and none of that, you know what I'm saying? So basically the account will have to be active for like 10 days. I don't know what this unlocks specifically, but then minimum trading days is 10 days, even though there are no minimum withdrawal. So let me see. Okay, 7 and 14 days payout. Okay, so available at checkout. Okay, so what this is basically saying is, okay, 7 and 14 days payout available at checkout. So I think this is one of like the add-ons, right? So whereby you can add it and then you'll be able to like withdraw after 7 and 14 days payout, right? So because it's saying available at checkout, I think it's an add-on. I'm not sure about that, but I think it's an add-on that you'll get when you reach the checkout. So okay, 10 days like we said, and then daily drawdown is 4%, of which is, it's not that bad, man. It's not that bad if you know how to manage risk, you know what I'm saying? It's not that bad. And then maximum drawdown is 8%. It's not bad. I mean, from the accounts that we already have, the daily drawdown is 5%, so it's 1% less. Then the maximum is 8, so meaning it's 2% less. It's not that bad. Okay, trading period, no time limit. That's awesome. Leverage 1:50. I mean, for me personally, because I like to be aggressive, that leverage right there is a small leverage, you know what I'm saying? Plus I'm from South Africa, man. Here we have unlimited leverage with some brokers, like genuinely excuse me, like genuinely we have other like brokers that have unlimited leverage. Like, do your research if you think maybe I'm capping or whatever. There's unlimited leverage out here. So you find someone with a 20 USD account opening the heaviest lot ever, dog. But then it's now at that point it's just gambling. But hey, that's my opinion. So profit split, okay, triple payday from 65% up to 90%. So triple payday, I don't know what that means. So 90% first profit split available at checkout. So I think this is another add-on, right? If you add this on the checkout page, you'll be able to get your first profit split at 90%. You definitely gotta pay for that. So what are the prices saying? So $98 for a 2.5k challenge. Oh, that's crazy. 95 USD for a 2.5k challenge. Because compared to equity edge now, we buy it for $10. So yo, that's the key. That's the price you're going to pay if you wanna skip the challenge, right? Okay, 5k challenge, that's $198. You buy it there at $15. So yo, I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know. Do you really need? I don't know. Do you really fear taking a challenge to a point whereby you would pay this much? I don't know. You guys tell me. You see, if with a 100k account, I personally would pay if I had the money. If I had the money to do so. With a 100k account, I would. Let's see, how much is it? 50. But then this is big money, man. This is not big money. $1,898 $8. That's big money, dog. I don't know, man, how I feel. I don't know how I feel, dog. It's a little bit tricky now. I don't know. You guys tell me, man, in the comment section if it is actually worth it or not. Hey. So guys, we just checked them out and they do have some like advantages. I really like the triple payout thingy, whereby you can request a withdrawal like every month, right? On the 5th, on the 15th, and then the 25th, right? So it's a 65% for the first withdrawal, 70% for the second withdrawal, 80% for the third withdrawal. So every month on the 5th, 15 and then 25th. So that's awesome, bro. But then the prices, I don't know, but then I think it's a personal thing, you know. So there are those people who would rather skip the challenges and go straight to a live funded account. If you think it's worth it, then pay the money if you have the money and get your live account straight away, right, and start trading. For me personally, man, I think taking the challenges makes more sense because that's just too much money, you know what I mean? But if it is a 100k account, maybe let's say I've secured enough payouts from the other challenges and other prop firms, I would pay because now I know, okay, boom, I have a 100k account just like that instant. I don't have to do challenges anymore. The phase 1 10% or 8%, the phase 2 6% or 5% and all of that. I just jump straight into funded, try to get my 5%, then I'm up, and then that's that. But then it all comes down to an individual, I guess. Yes, sir.